Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial on how to use your SCOIR account. The first time you access SCOIR, you will need to just go to the website, which is www.scoir.com. Then you'll click on Get Started. And then for students, you'll say Start Exploring. And then you'll come to the student sign up where it asks for your email address. At this point, you'll enter in your school email address and hit submit. You'll get a message that says to then access the link in your student email to be able to continue setting up your account. Okay, so once you have created your account by following that link in your email, you'll have a user ID and a password, and you can sign into your SCOIR account. There are a couple of features that I want to draw your attention to in here that are services that you can use. The first one is this College Search tab. In the College Search, it automatically loads 3,240 colleges. Now that's obviously entirely too many colleges to research. So they provide you with some filters over here on the left-hand side of the screen that will fine-tune the list of colleges to include only those colleges that have features that are important to you. For instance, I can look at a specific major, so I can type in psychology, and it gives me a few options here, so I'll say general psychology. And automatically that shrunk the list down to only 1,300 colleges. I can look at location, so I can look at just a specific state. I want to see schools just in Missouri. Now I'm down to 37 colleges. And let's see, I'll just do one more. Campus setting. I'm interested in going to a school in a large town. And then it's gotten me down to just 7 colleges. So once I've got a list of a kind of a smaller list of schools, I can start doing some research on the colleges. So maybe I don't know very much about William Jewell, so I can click on that. And it's going to tell me a little bit of information about the college. It tells me about the tuition. It tells me about the test scores that are required, what their admission rate is. Down a little further, it tells a bit about how many students they have and their retention rates. It tells a little bit more down here about the most popular degrees as well as all of the different degrees that are offered, and talks a little bit about their financial aid. And if you would like to link to their website, there's a link down here at the bottom. So if this is a school that I was really interested in, I could come up to the top and click on My Colleges. This is going to add this school to my list of My Colleges, which is here. So all the schools that I am following, I can keep in this column. And I can continue over the next couple of years to do some research as I'm making some decisions on where I want to apply as a senior. The other feature that I'd like to draw your attention to is over here in this right-hand area under this menu. If you click that and you scroll down, you can see visits and deadlines. If I click on that, you're going to see that there are some colleges that have already started scheduling visits to Liberty High School for second semester. If I'm interested in visiting with one of these schools, I can choose the one that I'm interested in. On my screen, I have to scroll over. And then if I would like to sign up for, that was Missouri Western, I can say, count me in. If I click that, then I will be asked to confirm that I'm fine with sharing my name, my high school, my year with the college representative. Any student that signs up for one of the college visits will receive a pass to come down and hear what the representatives have to say about their schools. As you can see, the first one is already signed up to come see us next Tuesday, which is our first day back after our long weekend. So if you're interested in learning more about Missouri Western, you will need to come in to the guidance office first thing Tuesday morning and pick up a pass. Other than that, for the most part, you're always going to want to sign up at least one day in advance for any of these college visits so that we can send that pass for you. Please feel free to let me know if you have any questions about SCOIR. We do think it's a great program and a great way to start researching colleges and signing up for visits with colleges. So we hope that you'll use your SCOIR account soon. Thank you.